Hi you guys, it's Erica. Welcome back to my channel, and on this video I am going to be sharing with you guys how to wax your armpits. Our next quarantine beauty tip is so let me tell you, quick story time. So I thought, like, when all this happened at first, the wax place that I go to, they was still open. When everything else had shut down, they was like the only thing that was like still open. So I was like, I thought you guys would be closed. She was like, no, we're still open. We're not shutting down until like absolutely necessary, if we have to, or if they come and shut us down. But you know, we stay sanitized or whatever, blah blah blah. So I was like all happy, got, you know, cute yesterday. Well, I was just doing something, and I thought I was going to get a wax. Girl, they're closed. I was like, what am I gonna do? So far as waxing down there, I'm not gonna try it, but it is this thing that's called, I believe it's called like vents. I'll insert a picture once I find it online or something. I'll insert a picture over here and show you guys what I'm talking about. It works really good, and which it does, because it's like the hair just fall off for times like this. And if you really need to wax, you can try that. It works awesome. It's way better than shaving. If you get a wax, don't shave. Don't do that. We're gonna wax our underarms, because this, I got this, they sell this at Walmart too, but I got mine from CVS, and I believe this is about like $8 or whatever. And it comes with lots of little strips. They have like little tiny ones for your mustache, and then they have, it says for face and bikini, but I use it for the part, I guess the bigger one is made to be used for bikinis, but I use it for my underarms. So I mean, yeah, so it comes with that, and it comes with post waxing wipes. So, you know, like after if you ever got waxed before, after you they wax you, they go back and clean you up and and that. So what we're gonna do is wax our underarms. Now, I did this before, and I mean, it didn't come out as smooth as I wanted it to, but it did the job for the time being. So we're gonna zoom in and see how it looks before, and then I'm gonna show you guys. I'm scared. I gotta use the bathroom. Oh my god. It's never like, it's never a good feeling, whew, when you're about to wax yourself. Okay, so I just take this and just put it all up in there, and then rub it down, make sure it's good, and whew. Okay. Who's calling me at a time like this? Okay. Alright, so you're gonna just do like that. Do like that. Oh my god, I'm scared. Okay, we're just gonna pull it. Okay, then you're gonna, they say pull in the opposite direction, so don't pull down. You're gonna pull it up. So you're gonna, whew. Okay. Whew. See? Look at all that. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay, so then we're gonna get the second one and do the same thing pretty much I want it to go like more up here to get that part. So you're gonna make sure it was, honestly, it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. I really have to use the bathroom though. Okay, so you go. And then more hair came out. Now, since it didn't cover up all that, you can definitely like reuse that part to like kind of do like the little spots that it didn't get. So after you wax both sides of your armpits, you're going to use the post waxing wipe. This wipe is kind of, but I don't know, kind of greasy, oily, I don't know, whatever. But it's just like a regular little wipe like this. Then you're gonna wipe to clean it, and it's gonna shine it or whatever, get all that wax off your arm. And I still see some more like little pieces over here. I could go back in and go over there and pluck those, but I'm gonna leave those as is. I mean, it's better than what it was. So yeah, we're gonna do that. So gonna wipe. And yeah, and before you do that, you want to make sure that you clean the area really good. I need to wipe my hands. Make sure you clean your underarms. Like if you wear deodorant, you want to make sure you like wipe that off with like a warm, or is it a cool, some like a wet cloth. Drain it, wipe it off or whatever. When I'm at home, I don't wear deodorant. I just don't. I don't know, like if I go a while without wearing deodorant, then yes, I will get musky. Musky. But I don't, it's not like, I can go days without putting on deodorant and I'll be perfectly fine. Like it'll just get, I don't know, I can't explain it. It's hard to explain. Like I'm human, so of course I would smell if I don't do it like for weeks and weeks at a time. But like 1 week without deodorant won't kill me. I won't smell. It'll just get hot under there, but it won't get like, it'll feel funny. Comment below if you really understand and you know what I'm trying to say. But anywho, you want to make sure your deodorant is cleaned off, wiped off or whatever, and then go straight into waxing your underarms. And now you can wear your spaghetti strap shirts again and your, you know, your sleeveless tops, because your underarm is pretty much waxed now during quarantine. So, you know, just because you're stuck in a house do not mean you can't pamper yourself, can't prep yourself. My child is out there whining while I'm trying to record video, but you know, it's all good. It's okay. But yeah, so hopefully this helps and you guys will be able to wax yourself under your arms and your lip. It's not time for me to do my lip, and I don't know if I will ever do my lip on camera because I'm not trying to burn myself again, because that thing was So Anywho, if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for clicking on it and watching this video. And don't forget to click on the bell so therefore you will be notified every time your girl upload a video. And I will see you guys in my next video, whether it's quarantine tips, whatever it's gonna be. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.